In this module, we'll create the agent installation package. So we're going to download the installation of the agent on DC data. So I'm going to exit the Flex Beacon VM and then click on Flex DC data. Then I'll turn this to full screen, hit escape so I have my tabs and taskbar, and assign into Flexera 1. Now that I'm on Flex DC data, I'm going to go to data collection, inventory settings, and this is where I'm going to get the agent and actually download it. So I'm going to scroll down to inventory agent for download. Scroll down to get to the latest agent. And the one for FlexNet inventory agent is the one for Windows. And then hit download. I just made this full screen so we can see the download at the bottom. So now I will right click on show in folder, and I'll click on downloads. And from here I can right click and extract. And now I have my setup file. Next, I'll need to download and edit the bootstrap file. So I'm going to return to Flexera 1. Underneath our inventory agent download is the link for the bootstrap template file. So I'll click on that, go ahead and keep it. And I'll show that in folder. In this case, I want to keep the original in the downloads folder. So I'm going to copy this file and I'm going to place it in the folder with the agent. This one I can modify. So first we're going to go to the install policy equal 1, get rid of the comment. Then for the deploy server URL, I'm going to replace that with our beacon. So I'm going to replace this sort of generic one with our beacon. So there's flextraining.com, flexbeacon.flextraining.com, and I'm going to get rid of the comment in front of this one. Then I'm going to find the arbitrary commands. Get rid of the comment in the front of both of these. For the run CMD is just going to be cmd.exe. And then for the run command arguments, I'm going to get this out of the lab and replace these arguments with the arguments from the lab. So this will run ND track for this machine and upload it to the beacon. So my ini file is done. I can now save it, exit the tool. So that's how to download the install files and edit the bootstrap file. The next module will install the agent.